What's the meaning of bread bin? Bread bin. Bread bin.
Bread bin. Bread bin. A bread bin is a container designed to store bread and keep it fresh for longer periods of time by protecting it from moisture and air. Bread bins come in a variety of materials, including plastic, metal, and wood, and can range in size from small containers that hold a single loaf to larger ones that can accommodate multiple loaves. Some bread bins also have additional features, such as ventilation holes or cutting boards on the lid. The primary purpose of a bread bin is to maintain the quality of bread by providing a controlled environment that minimizes staling and mold growth.